it's Jackie, and today I am super excited to share this video with you. I am upgrading. So I currently have a coffee maker that makes a full pot, pretty standard. I have my Keurig that makes the single pots, and then I also have a Mr. Coffee latte machine that I really love. I've had it for 2 years now, and it makes like a fake latte. It doesn't have a true espresso machine, but it makes a pretty darn good imitation. And all three of those machines take up a lot of room, and I had a friend turn me on to the Ninja hot and cold brew machine. I have been obsessively watching videos, keeping up with how she likes hers, which she was recommended from someone that she really trusts. And when you get those kind of personal recommendations, it's really hard to not be interested in something. And she knows how much I love coffee, and I really love black coffee is my favorite, but I make iced coffee. Actually, I buy iced coffees. I would love to make iced coffees. I haven't been able to perfect it enough to make them at home yet, but I'm hoping that this machine will help. So I'm selling my coffee machine, I am selling my almost new Keurig, and I'm selling my Mr. Coffee latte machine. And between the three of those, I have covered over half of the cost of this because I got it $80 off. So this machine I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was on sale, and there was a 20% off coupon that I was eligible to use. So altogether, like I said, I saved over $80. So I was really thrilled, and then selling my other machines on top of it, I got this for very little money. All of that to be said, I haven't used it yet, and I'm really excited to get into it, so let's open it and see how it goes. So I'm hoping that getting this and replacing 3 machines, I will open up some counter space. I can have the single machine on my coffee bar, and I will also not have to pull out a separate machine to make a latte if I want to, which I don't do on a very frequent occasion, but I do it enough that it will save me time and free up the space, which is nice. So again, this is the Ninja hot and cold brew system. So this is box after box, which is pretty standard, I guess, when you get something shipped to you. I'm really excited about this. So it says it has a hot and cold frother to transform hot or cold milk into a silky froth. It has a swivel brew basket, a scoop, a double-walled thermal carafe, a single cup brewing with a fold-away platform. So I really like that you can go between the two. It has a removable reservoir for water, and it has 6 brew cup sizes. There's a cup, an extra large cup, a travel size, extra large, multi-serve, a half carafe, and a full carafe. And then there's the brew tracker, so it kind of gives you progress. There is a clock on this. And then it has 2 separate baskets, and it says it's smart and can detect which one you are using. So it says you can make coffee or tea. You can make it classic, rich, over ice, fresh brew, or specialties. And I'm hoping that there's probably like some sort of a recipe guide included. Let's see. So there is a quick guide here. Hold this up to make sure you guys are seeing it. So this is, looks like maybe the frother. Okay, I'm going to move the camera so that you are seeing this on the floor. It's a nice, pretty large machine here. I do think it'll still fit nicely on my coffee bar. I will be sure to show you. And even though I'm just unboxing this right now, this video will show you. I'm going to use it for a few weeks before I share this video because I want to be able to give you insight beyond just unboxing it. So here it is as it's boxed, just slightly unwrapped. I'm going to take the carafe out, which is situated right in here, get all the garbage gone. So as I'm doing this, I'm curious, do you guys ever sell items to pay for other ones? I do that a very frequent rate. It's probably seems silly to some, but I change interests frequently. I don't mind, I know that some people find that kind of odd, but I don't really mind giving up things. You know, I'll enjoy them while I enjoy them, and then if I feel like moving on, I do it. So I like to try to keep minimal possessions. There is a scoop here, so it kind of gives you an idea of sizes that you need for different drinks. I see a little guide on here. Without ever using this, I don't quite understand it yet, but it's nice that they have a built-in guide and a built-in storage for it, so I don't have to find a spot. So this is for tea. I don't really drink tea, but it'll be nice if I ever, my girls actually enjoy drinking tea. I like to drink tea if I have a sore throat, but other than that, I'm not, to me it's just not strong enough. I really like black coffee, as I've mentioned. Oh, so this has like one of those just washable filters, which is nice. So this says it has the coffee bean on it, and then the tea has like a green leaf for the tea. So these are for tea and coffee. Let's see here. This is taped together for just shipping, I'm sure, but here's my water tank. It looks about the same size as my Keurig, I'm guessing. I don't know if it stores more internally into the machine. It might. I will share with you, I guess, how the water seems to hold up. I do drink coffee frequently, so it might be different for me because I'm a frequent user of this and it won't be 1 cup a day. I would love to get there though. So I think this is really sleek. It is very sharp looking. I love that it has the stainless steel crank here. So here's my little frother. Meet my friend Frothy. And I'm going to lock this into place. I'm guessing, guys, it tells me to push it this way, so okay, that's handy and it's nice and easy. There is a power button here that I can press it. Again, I think that if I wash it, it would come off really, not if, I will wash it, don't worry, when I use it, but I won't be using the frother all the time. But there's a separate power button here and it folds away really nice. I do think that is really pretty nice feature and it stores away so nicely. I love when products have these built-in efficiencies. It really is nice as a homemaker to make things easier. This is a really nice hold on that scoop. This comes out beautifully. I'm going to peel off the sticker because I visually just don't like it, but it tells you to avoid contact with hot surfaces and do not reach across the top of the brewer to froth. So, you know, standard safety messaging. Okay, so my water reservoir says max, half, large cup, and actually that's just a symbol, and this says minimum fill lines. So you can put as much water in here as you want, enough to fill the carafe. There are hour and minute buttons, there's a delay brew button, there's a little button for no water. I'm guessing if you want to just steam something. And then there is a power button and a clean button, and then there's 2 knobs. And without it having it plugged in, I don't know what they are, but I will bring those to you later. So this finishes the strictly unboxing portion of the video, and we will get into the fancy schmancy. Oh no, actually I wanted to share with you, I'm always really interested in the literature that is included with products I get. I like to read things. So there's a quick start guide, which is usually what I get through the most. 40 irresistible tea and coffee recipes. Ooh, I'm kind of excited because I need someone to teach me how to make it good, and then I'll never let it go. So this, for example, is a cold brew coffee. Toasted coconut mocha cold brew. So it takes 4 scoops of coffee, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I don't like chocolate, so I won't be making this one. 2 cups of ice, 2 tablespoons of a coconut syrup, a 1/4 cup coconut milk, a 1/4 cup milk, and then you can garnish it. So it gives you all the instructions on how to use those ingredients to make it. There's Vietnamese style cold brew, there's iced nutty cocoa latte, pumpkin spice latte, cappuccino style. These look really good. I'll probably flip through this just so you can get an idea of how they have made these things, but this machine is super exciting for me. Too Good Toffee Coffee. Yum. Maple pecan coffee. Heavy cream, maple syrup, cinnamon, and pecan flavored coffee. Yum. Okay. So there's just a lot of really good recipes in here. They appear to be. There's the complete owner's guide and a quick start guide. So that is what I have for you at this moment. And then I'm going to, in the next part of this video, share with you my guides or a few of the, I'll make some hot beverages, some cold beverages, and share with you the display while it's on, and give you some insight on how I think it works. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and getting an up-close look at this. If this helps you decide whether or not to buy this coffee maker, let me know below. I am also setting a new video out to come out the exact same time as this one, where I show you how I make some drinks and give you an actual review and demonstration. This is just a product overview, obviously, so I hope you'll check that out. It is linked below and also at the end of this video. So for the rest of this video, I'm just going to keep giving you an up-close look at all parts of the coffee maker and some of the recipe book. Thanks so much for watching, guys.